This is Harry Vocal, the sound of Australia, the voice off the street. COVID-19, Victoria, and the Chinese. Right from the top, Daniel Andrews, it's amazing mismanagement. Right down to these people, these migrants living in these towers who have had blatant disregard for all the rules and regulations, and now they've been put in lockdown. They're whinging and bitching because they believe they're not getting looked after, when it was them that totally ignored the rules and regulations in the first place. And as far as us not being able to move for the last couple of months and all living by the rules and regulations, why is it that you look on Flight Radar 24 and you see up to 8 planes a day coming in from China with obviously dual nationals, and numerous of them are carrying COVID? It's been proven. And yet we can't even move because we get massive fines. And then to boot, on top of this, when this is over, when are they going to start looking at what the fines and the penalties are for people who bring shit into this country trying to destroy it? You've only got to look at one of these Australian border security shows to see every second Chinese bastard has got suitcases full of food and plant matter that could absolutely destroy our biodiversity, and yet they always understand English, and when they get caught they get angry and get let off with a $360 fine. Well, how about we turn it into a $5,000 to $10,000 fine and you get your ass put back onto a plane and back to China, not welcome again, and maybe that might deter these idiots from destroying our country. Right from the top, Daniel Andrews, down to these migrants who don't give a shit about our country or how it all works, as a complete ignorance to it all, and now whinge. And they're the ones responsible in the first place. It's a fucking disgrace, and it's got to stop. This is Harry Vocal.